Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I think it comes back to approaching our investment properties as an actual business.
Right.
And businesses have expenses. You
Yep.
can't just expect to have all of the rental income as your profit.
Right.
So
Right.
you have to
Yes.
invest back into these properties. That's an ongoing thing. Um,
Yeah.
so
Yep.
owners that don't take that approach are going to end up in that cycle of suck that you mentioned. Uh,
Yeah, and they're going to be frustrated. They're going to be frustrated, and they're constantly going to be wondering why do they have problem tenants? Why are people not paying their rent? Why is my unit, why am I always fixing that? Why? You've got to get yourself to a place where you're comfortable, or you're just going to burn yourself out, or you're going to hate that you own rental property.
Want to hear more on this topic? Click the link below for the full episode of Maximizing Your Property Value.